This next iMachining operation machines away the excess material from the center through hole of the part. This excess material was used for clamping from the first side under Mach 1. Again, to open the iMachining operation dialog, double-click on iRough Back Center Hole in the CAM Manager. By clicking Show in the Geometry branch, we can see that a single closed chain is defined. Again, we will be using the 1/2-inch diameter end mill. We can see that the milling levels have been selected in the Levels branch. In the Technology branch, we can see that a 10 thou allowance is being used for the wall since the wall was finished during the topside machining stage. Let's click Simulate and take a look at our toolpath. In HostCAD, we see the tool performs a helical entry and clears out the excess material. Let's also look at the simulation using Solid Verify. Let's exit our simulation and operation dialogues.